fool with them. I don't know why a man likes to stick his arms to his elbow in grease, but I can get frustrated on the farm and decide to relax, and I just go to work on a tractor. See if I can make one run. It's a challenge to see if you can take a hunk of iron that don't look like it had ever run and make it run again like it used to. They're clumsy, they're hard to drive, they're hard on the operator, but for what they were designed for, they'll just continue on and on and on. They don't deteriorate, they don't wear out. I just like to have something to make me relax, and this does it for me. Somebody else will go fishing. I go to the shop and work on the tractor. I like to keep some of the past where you can see it. Some of the kids don't know about it. Maybe my grandsons will take some of them and keep them. If someone didn't keep this old iron around, then you'd, you know, the next generation who wouldn't have any idea what the past was like.